This is tutorial 8A, question 5C. Again, we are using the inverse DFT matrix problem, and we are asked to reconstruct xn, and we are given x. So the inverse DFT matrix needs 1 over n times the WH. 1 over n WH is the inverse of the DFT matrix W. Alright, we know how to fill up the columns or each elements of W now. But again, since we are only interested in the non-zero values of the WH, so this is why I'm writing it this way, because this is only the non-zero elements of capital X that is going to be multiplied with the corresponding columns to produce Xn. Okay, so this is what we are seeing. Now, xk have only two values that are non-zero, x0 and x1. The values are 2 and 3e minus j pi over 4. Now, I put the transpose here because I just want to save space. Actually, it's n times the column vector. Now, since only the first two elements of capital X, x0 and x1 are non-zero, we are only interested in the column 0 and column 1 of WH. So this is column 0 of WH and column 1 of WH. So actually this should be, I'm talking about this column 0 WH and column 1 of WH multiplying with element capital X0 and X1. So I've just circled X0, X1, X0, X1, X0, X1. The corresponding columns of WH, column 0 and column 1. So we know how to fill up column 0 and column 1. So this is column 0, all ones, and column 1, the elements are E plus J 2 pi over n Kn. And K is 1 because we are in column 1, and n is going to vary from 0 to n minus 1. So k is 1, n is 0 to n minus 1, capital N is 4. And that's why we know how to fill up this. This value is capital X1, 3e minus j pi over 4. This value is capital X 0. So this is how we reconstruct small xn. Now, if you want to compactly write this as equation form, then we write in this way: small xn equals to 2, right? 2, any n, doesn't matter, it's still 2. 2 times 1, so it's 2. The coefficients 3e minus j4 can be collapsed into multiplying ej 2 pi over 4 in this form. So it's 2 pi over 4n, which is here, minus pi over 4, we bring the j out. And then we, of course, need to write the index interval, 0 to capital N minus 1. So this is the answer that we are seeking for. Thank you.